Okay, this is just a reminder of what you need to do while you're working on your intro practice, your paragraph. Okay, so you have this document. I handed it out in class. And on your paragraph, you're writing an intro paragraph. You also have to include a hook, a bridge, a summary, and a thesis. Now, in class, I mentioned that you're probably going to want to start with your thesis in terms of brainstorming, but that doesn't mean that your thesis is at the top of your paragraph. Your paragraph has to start with a hook. So, as you're working through this paragraph and as you're writing your paragraph, you might want to have a brainstorming sheet where you write down what your thesis is going to be and work from that. But when you're writing your actual paragraph, we want to start with a hook to grab your reader's attention, a bridge to connect that hook to your the summary part of your paragraph, and then finishing up with a strong thesis statement. And remember, your thesis is what your entire essay would be about if you were writing an essay, but you're not going to write an essay. This is just practicing intro paragraphs. So, using these four elements, remember to write an intro paragraph. Choose a different theme than the one in this example. We talked about the different themes in class, so please choose one of those. And if you're having problems coming up with a theme, send me an email or come see me and I can remind you of some of the themes. Or you can ask someone else from your class who probably wrote some of the examples down. If you have any questions, please send me an email or come see me before or after school.